Hey, what's up everybody, it's the AI Vault here. Are you ready to dive into the future of cryptocurrency? In this video we'll reveal the top 10 cryptocurrencies for 2025 based on AI analysis. Whether you're an investor, a crypto enthusiast, or just curious, this list will give you valuable insights into the most promising digital assets to watch in 2025. Let's begin. Coming in at number 10, we have Chainlink. Chainlink is absolutely critical to the crypto space because it acts as a bridge between the blockchain and the real world. Think of smart contracts, those self-executing contracts on the blockchain. They need information from the outside world to function, right? That's where Chainlink comes in. It provides a secure and reliable way for these smart contracts to get data from external sources. Whether it's stock prices, weather data, or anything else, Chainlink makes sure that this information is accurate and tamper-proof. And as we move towards a more decentralized future, the need for reliable oracles like Chainlink is only going to increase. I mean, imagine a world where everything from supply chains to financial markets is run on smart contracts. That's the potential of Chainlink, and why it's a solid contender for the top 10 in 2025. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, this sounds complicated. And yeah, it can be, but that's also why it's so valuable. Because Chainlink is solving a really complex problem and they're doing it well. Plus, they've already got a ton of partnerships and integrations with major players in the industry. So if you're looking for a crypto with real-world utility and a bright future, Chainlink is definitely one to watch. Alright, moving on to number 9, and it's the one and only Bitcoin. Look, no top 10 crypto list would be complete without the OG itself. Bitcoin is like the granddaddy of crypto, and it's still going strong. Now, you might be thinking, Bitcoin in 2025? Isn't that a bit outdated? But here's the thing. Bitcoin has stood the test of time. It's survived crashes, hacks, and everything in between. And that's because it has something that a lot of other cryptos don't: establish scarcity and widespread recognition. Think about it. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That's it. So as more people invest and demand grows, the price inevitably goes up. It's basic economics. Plus, Bitcoin is becoming increasingly accepted as a legitimate asset class. We're seeing institutions, corporations, and even governments getting on board. El Salvador made it legal tender, and more countries are considering it. So, yeah, Bitcoin might be old news in the fast-paced world of crypto, but it's still the gold standard. It's like that reliable old car that just keeps running. You know, it's not the flashiest or the fastest, but it gets the job done. And in the world of investing, sometimes that's all you need. At number 8, we've got Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is like the backbone of the decentralized internet. It's the platform that a lot of other cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications are built on. Think of it like the iOS or Android of the crypto world. And just like those mobile operating systems, Ethereum is constantly evolving and improving. They recently completed a major upgrade called the Merge, which made it faster, more efficient, and more scalable. This is a big deal because it means that Ethereum can now handle even more transactions and support even more applications. And that's huge for its future growth. Plus, Ethereum has a massive and passionate community of developers, entrepreneurs, and users who are constantly building and innovating on the platform. This ecosystem is one of Ethereum's biggest strengths, and it's what sets it apart from a lot of other cryptocurrencies. So, yeah, Ethereum is definitely a top contender for 2025 and beyond. It's the foundation of the decentralized web, and that's a really powerful position to be in. Coming in at number 7 is Tether. And it's a little different from some of the other cryptos on this list. See, Tether is a stable coin, which means it's designed to maintain a stable value, usually pegged to a real-world asset like the US dollar. Now, you might be wondering, why is a stablecoin even on this list? Well, here's the thing. In the volatile world of crypto, stability is really valuable. Tether provides a safe haven for investors who want to stay in the crypto market but avoid the wild price swings. It's like having cash in your digital wallet. You can quickly and easily move it around without having to convert it back and forth from fiat currency. This makes it super convenient for trading, and it's why Tether is one of the most traded cryptocurrencies in the world. Plus, as more businesses start accepting crypto payments, stablecoins like Tether are going to become even more important. At number 6, we've got Binance Coin, or BNB. Now, if you've ever traded cryptocurrency, chances are you've heard of Binance. It's one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. And Binance Coin is the native token of the Binance exchange. You can use it to pay for trading fees, participate in token sales, and even book travel arrangements on their platform. It's like having a discount card for the entire Binance ecosystem. But here's the thing. Binance Coin is more than just an exchange token. It's also the fuel for the Binance Smart Chain, which is a rival blockchain to Ethereum that's gaining popularity due to its low fees and fast transaction speeds. So, as the Binance ecosystem continues to grow, so too does the value of Binance Coin. It's a classic example of network effects in action. The more people use Binance and the Binance Smart Chain, the more valuable BNB becomes. Coming in at number 5 is Solana, and it's all about speed and scalability. I'm talking about blazing fast transaction speeds and incredibly low fees. We're talking fractions of a penny here, people. Now this has made Solana a favorite for developers who are building decentralized applications, especially in areas like decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These applications require a lot of transactions to function, so low fees are crucial, and Solana can handle it. It's like the cheetah of blockchains, able to process thousands of transactions per second. This makes it a serious contender to Ethereum, which has struggled with scalability in the past. Plus, Solana has a growing ecosystem of projects and developers, which is always a good sign. It means that there's real innovation happening on the platform, and that's what drives value in the long run. At number 4, we have Cardano. Now Cardano is all about taking a scientific and research-driven approach to blockchain technology. They're not just throwing things against the wall and seeing what sticks. They're taking their time, doing the research, and building a solid foundation for the future. And this approach is starting to pay off. Cardano has been making waves with its focus on security, sustainability, and scalability. They've implemented a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is more energy efficient than proof-of-work systems like Bitcoins. Plus, Cardano is focused on building a platform that's accessible to everyone, especially in developing countries. They're working on bringing financial services to the unbanked and empowering people through blockchain technology. So if you're looking for a cryptocurrency that's built on solid foundations and has a long-term vision, Cardano is definitely one to watch. Alright, coming in at number 3 is Ripple, and it's all about revolutionizing cross-border payments. We're talking about making it faster, cheaper, and more efficient to send money around the world. Now, Ripple has been around for a while, and they've been working with banks and financial institutions to integrate their technology. Their XRP token is designed to facilitate these cross-border payments, and it's already being used by some major players in the industry. Of course, Ripple has faced its fair share of challenges, especially with the SEC lawsuit. But if they can overcome these hurdles, they have the potential to completely disrupt the global payment system. Think about it. Trillions of dollars are moved around the world every day. If Ripple can capture even a small fraction of that market, it's going to be huge. At number 2, we've got Avalanche. Now, Avalanche is all about speed, scalability, and interoperability. It's like the Swiss Army knife of blockchains. It can handle a lot of different tasks, and it does them all really well. One of the things that makes Avalanche so unique is its ability to connect different blockchains together. This is a big deal because it means that applications built on Avalanche can interact with other blockchains like Ethereum or Bitcoin. This opens up a whole world of possibilities for developers and users. It's like being able to use any app on any phone, regardless of the operating system. Plus, Avalanche is incredibly fast and scalable. It can handle thousands of transactions per second without breaking a sweat, which makes it a great platform for building high-performance applications. And finally, the number 1 cryptocurrency for 2025, according to AI analysis, is Polygon. Polygon is like the ultimate sidechain for Ethereum. It's designed to solve Ethereum's scalability issues by providing a faster, cheaper, and more efficient way to use the Ethereum network. Think of it like this. Ethereum is like a busy highway during rush hour. It's slow, congested, and expensive to use. Polygon is like building a network of express lanes that run alongside the highway. It's still connected to the main highway, but it's much faster and more efficient. This makes Polygon a game changer for Ethereum users. They can now enjoy the security and decentralization of Ethereum without the high fees and slow transaction speeds. Plus, Polygon is incredibly easy to use. It's like a plug-and-play solution for Ethereum developers. They can easily port their existing Ethereum applications to Polygon or build new ones from scratch. So, yeah, Polygon is the real deal. It's solving a major problem in the crypto space, and it's doing it in a way that's accessible, affordable, and easy to use. That's why it's our number 1 pick for 2025. So there you have it, the top 10 cryptocurrencies for 2025 according to AI analysis. Of course, no one can predict the future with 100% certainty, but this list gives you a good starting point for your research. Are you holding any of these cryptocurrencies or are you planning to invest in them? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the AI Vault for more insights into the future of tech, AI, and finance. Remember, the crypto world is fast-paced and unpredictable, so do your research and invest wisely. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. If you're a crypto enthusiast, then you need to hear this. Before we dive in, here's a quick note. This video is for informational purposes only. While AI has analyzed data to identify these cryptocurrencies, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and investments carry risks. Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the AI Vault. Now, you guys know I love diving into the latest tech, and today we're talking crypto. But we're not just talking about any crypto, we're talking about the future. We're using some next-level AI analysis to pinpoint 3 affordable cryptocurrencies with massive potential. We're not talking about your usual suspects like Bitcoin or Ethereum. We're going deeper, looking at coins that are still accessible for everyday investors like you and me. These are the hidden gems, the ones with the potential to blow up. So, if you're ready to explore the future of finance and maybe even discover your next big investment, then buckle up. Let's get right into it. First up we have Cardano, ticker symbol ADA. Now Cardano is all about building a sustainable and scalable blockchain for the future. And when I say sustainable, I mean it. Cardano uses a proof-of-stake mechanism called Ouroboros, which is way more energy efficient than the proof-of-work model used by Bitcoin. We're talking significantly less energy consumption, which is a big deal in the crypto world. But it's not just about being green. Cardano is also focused on being powerful. The recent Alonzo update brought smart contracts to the Cardano blockchain, which means it can now directly compete with Ethereum. But here's the kicker. Cardano's transaction fees are way lower than Ethereum's, and our AI analysis is showing some pretty exciting things about Cardano's future. With its focus on constant development, ecosystem growth, and real-world adoption, Cardano is positioned to be a major player in the long run. The AI predicts that as more developers and users jump on board, the demand for ADA is only going to increase. And the best part is, right now, ADA is still incredibly affordable. So if you're looking for a solid long-term investment, Cardano is definitely one to watch. Next up, let's talk about Polygon, ticker symbol MATIC. Now if you've ever used Ethereum, you know it can be a bit of a love-hate relationship. You love the potential, but the high gas fees and slow transaction speeds, not so much. Well, that's where Polygon comes in. Polygon is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Think of it like this. Ethereum is like a busy highway, and Polygon is like adding a whole bunch of new lanes. It helps things run smoother and faster. But Polygon isn't just about speed, it's about building a whole ecosystem. And the AI is picking up on some serious adoption. We're talking major NFT marketplaces like OpenSea and even decentralized gaming platforms like Decentraland are already using Polygon. This means Polygon is becoming a vital part of the decentralized app, or dApp, world. And as more and more dApps choose Polygon for its speed and affordability, the demand for MATIC is going to skyrocket. Our AI models are also showing that Polygon's team is constantly innovating and forming strategic partnerships. This tells us that Polygon is here to stay and grow, and for investors like you and me, that spells opportunity. Right now, MATIC is still incredibly affordable, making it a really attractive entry point into the world of Layer 2 scaling solutions. So, if you're looking for a crypto that's solving real problems and has massive growth potential, Polygon is definitely worth checking out. Last but not least, we have VeChain, ticker symbol VET. Now, VeChain is doing something really interesting. It's bringing blockchain technology to the real world, specifically to supply chains. You know how sometimes you buy something and wonder where it came from, or if it's authentic? Well, VeChain is using blockchain to track products from the factory floor all the way to the consumer, ensuring transparency and eliminating counterfeiting. And the AI is seeing some major companies taking notice. VeChain has already partnered with huge names like BMW, Walmart China, and even Renault. These aren't just small partnerships. These are global giants using VeChain's technology to improve their supply chains. This tells us that VeChain is solving a real-world problem, and the AI predicts that as the demand for transparency and efficiency in supply chains grows, so will the demand for VeChain. What's even more interesting is that VeChain uses a two-token system, VET and VTHO. VT is used for holding and transferring value, while VTHO is used to power transactions on the network. This unique approach makes VeChain even more appealing from an investment standpoint. And right now VT is still incredibly undervalued, especially considering its real-world use cases and partnerships. So if you're looking for a crypto with a strong foundation and the potential for exponential growth, VeChain is definitely one to keep on your radar. So there you have it, our top 3 affordable crypto picks with massive potential, all backed by AI analysis, Cardano, the sustainable powerhouse, Polygon, the Ethereum scaler, and VeChain, the real-world blockchain solution. Do your own research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more AI-powered insights into the world of tech and crypto. And as always, thanks for watching. So, there you have it, 3 affordable cryptocurrencies identified by AI as having bright futures: Cardano, Polygon, and VeChain. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to the AI Vault for more AI-driven insights into tech and crypto. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. What's up, everybody? It's the AI Vault here, and welcome back to the AI Vault. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI stocks, breaking down the top 3 players you absolutely need on your watch list for 2024. These companies are at the forefront of AI innovation, driving the technology forward, and offering some seriously promising investment opportunities. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, stick around, because you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. First up, we've got NVIDIA, the undisputed king of GPUs essential for running complex AI algorithms. In June 2024, they smashed past a $3 trillion market cap. Their revenue tripled in the most recent fiscal quarter to $26 billion, with projections to reach nearly $117 billion by 2025. NVIDIA boasts a 53.4% net margin, making them incredibly profitable. The demand for their GPUs is only going up as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, NVIDIA is the engine behind it all, making them a must-have on any AI investor's watch list. Next up, we've got Microsoft. Known for Windows and Office, Microsoft is playing the long game with AI. They've been integrating AI into their products and services, from Azure to everyday apps like Word and Excel. Azure is a leading cloud platform, and Microsoft is making it the go-to for AI solutions. AI-powered features in Office help us write better, analyze data faster, and design pro-level presentations. Microsoft's forward price-to-earnings ratio sits at around 21, indicating strong belief in their future earnings potential. Their commitment to AI puts them in a prime position to capitalize on this massive technological shift. Finally, let's talk about Alphabet, the parent company of Google, a company that practically breathes AI. From their search algorithms to autonomous vehicles with Waymo, Alphabet leverages AI across a range of industries. Google Search's AI-powered dominance translates into massive advertising revenue. Alphabet is investing heavily in AI across sectors like healthcare, with Verily and AI research with DeepMind. Waymo leads in autonomous vehicle technology, already testing driverless taxis in several cities. Alphabet's stock trades at roughly 21 times its expected earnings for 2024, showing investor optimism about their AI ventures. So there you have it, folks, the top 3 AI stocks that should be on your watch list for 2024. These companies are leading the charge in AI innovation and are well-positioned to reap the rewards of this technological revolution. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, this isn't financial advice, and investing always comes with risks. Do your own research, consult with a professional, and make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos on AI, tech, and investing, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.